We have a very interesting presentation now. Listen to me. I think this is a very unique presentation because we are going to talk about products, farming products, and we are going to talk about how to preserve the local varieties of farming products and how to use them for the benefit of the region. And for this reason, I have with me here Mr. Panagiotis Sainatoudis, who is the director or the supervisor or the responsible of an organization that is called Pelitis. Actually, I don't know what Pelitis means, but maybe Mr. Sainatoudis will explain to us, so I also learn what Pelitis is. And he's going to make a presentation of their work and their activity on how to save local varieties of agricultural and farming products. Mr. Sainatoudis.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Pelitis Sainatoudis. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for this invitation and welcome everyone. So from hand to hand and from generation to generation, not lost tomorrow, that we have today. The Greece is one of the most important areas in the world about the variety, the species.
We rank 17th position in terms of agricultural variety.
From 5,500 species of plants in Europe, from the 12,000 plants in Europe or the UK, the half of these plants grow here in Greece. And 540 is endemic, grow only in Greece and not any other place in Europe. One very important example is the island Crete that have 1,800 self-sown plants, and the 10% of these plants is endemic, grow only in this island. England is 4 times more big than Greece and have only 2,000 plants that the island of Crete have only alone. Which are those local varieties? The local variety is the variety who came to us from the ancient times. For example, the Triticum monococcum is one type of wheat and cultivated 90,000 years in area in Greece, and Bulgaria too, found it in archaeology site. Here in Drama, if you visit the archaeology museum, you can find this kind of seed. So when we survive the local variety, we survive the history, our history. And why we must keep this local variety? The local variety has a big genetic basic, and this big genetic basic is safety for agriculture. In 1971, one disease destroyed the half of agriculture about corn in the United States. So the safe in food was endangered. But this disease stopped for one other small corn from South Mexico, and stopped to continue this disease. In the future, we can speak about safe agriculture and safe food if we have a local variety. When we lost the biodiversity, we lost the safe, very big power. And we cannot speak about democracy and freedom when we lost the seat and because we are not free. And at the same time, the company who controls the seeds control the pesticide or engineer and anything else. So it have a very big power. The local varieties have a color, have a smell, something that the new crop have not. 12,000 different kinds of tomatoes we have around all over the world. We have red, green, we have small, something like that, but we have a big one. We have this kind, but we have in yellow. So, and we have in black. All this is local variety. And of course, that we said before, when we lost the seeds, we lost the democracy. We can't speak about democracy because the farmers and the people is not free to cultivate the food. What is Pelitis? Pelitis means oak in Pontiac dialect. Pontiac people came from Black Sea. 1922 was a refugee from the Black Sea. And when I established the Pelitis in 1995, one big tree from oak gave this name. I take it from there. And we have the basic idea is to found a farm who keep the local variety, to collect this local variety, survive and give it free to the other people. The other subject that we work is to have exchange goods and service without money. And the third subject is to create one alternative community, but the basic idea in this community is to survive local. Didn't freeze 10,000 years before, and for that reason is one life arc. And we can find the forest like very cold, from very cold area in Europe, but we can find them in the Mediterranean plant in the same place. The first, when we start 1995, we start to find people who conserve the local varieties. And we travel around in Greece by foot and hitchhiking to find these people and take it, these seeds and give it to the new farmers, so continue the cultivation. Grow the seeds and make vegetables and eat this vegetables. The idea is the student learn and understand that wheat is seed, and to know how is all this circus from seed to harvest, to eat and keep again the seed and start again. So here is another school who make a plant and in the end give this plant a gift to his family.
But then I understood, and I just contributed to Pelitis mission. Maybe you heard that they cultivate a lot of plants. So as volunteer, I had to get up early to take care of some plants, to help with the irrigation or to water them. And meanwhile, I was learning things about the seed bank, how they preserve the seeds, how they collect these seeds. It was interesting. I met the local people, and I participated even in a football festival in Baranesti, and so it was a nice experience. I have a lot of things to share with my friends when I go to Bulgaria. I'm going back to Sofia today, and I can recommend that kind of experience to everybody of you, whoever wants to go there. You can go to the website or speak with Panagiotis.
That Mitko lived in this day. Mitko wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning every day. He came from Sofia with a big city, and he wake up in Sofia 11 o'clock in the morning. So it was a big experience to wake up and to work alone in the field. And he say, when I go back to Sofia, I try to wake up 6 o'clock in the morning because.
And this is a thing I would like to take as experience, because you know, it will be a wonderful thing if I manage to do it. We are just winning 5 hours of our daytime if we manage to wake up early. But it's a hard mission, but a good habit.
So if you have any question.
Well, you concentrate mainly on plants. You do anything with animals?
Yes, about animals, we write where have farmers who grow the autochthon animals, and if someone needs the autochthon animal, we can give the contact.
So there are local varieties, local breeds of animals
Yes.
in this area. Like what?
Cow, example, in Eurocop here we have some cow who it's autochthon, and goats, sheep, but the problem there is more big because it's not so easy to conserve the animal like from the United States, Adam Forbes. He is a young man who travels around in the world for local variety. And he came in Greece to find the root because his father is from Greece. And his father said, don't go to Greece because you have lost everything. And when going with Adam and saw some farmers in the mountain, say, I can't believe it because you continue to give the knowledge and the seeds from father to mother, to son. And this is something very important because in the rest of Europe this has broke, but in Greece we continue. That's it.